Hello, Fix-It Tony here. Welcome to a holiday version of on my videos. Today we're going to fix, I've got these square cube stools with a storage bin sort of underneath, and this is the lid, so you have a cushion for your feet or to sit on, and if you flip it over you have this sort of tray. These were really well built. This is about 20 years old now, pretty much, and one of the sides broke off, and so I'm here to fix it. So if you like this video, please like it, subscribe, share it with others. So first things first is sort of try to understand why it failed. And it looks like, there's nails in here that were supposed to go in to connect the plywood base to the side. And it looks as though the nails, when they were nailed from the underside, never really made it through the plywood. You can see here on this one, it sort of was halfway. This one looks like it missed it completely. This one missed it completely. So I think this was weak to begin with, and it was prone to fail. And what was probably holding it together were these biscuit joints at the corners and the glue that probably kept it going, but eventually it did fail. First step is to clean off this mating surface, and you can see that there's some nails here. So we're going to pull out these nails using needle nose pliers and just sort of squeezing tight and doing a rotation to bend it out, and you can get them out pretty easily, and that's how it would look. Same thing over here. These are brads, pretty soft metal. It could break, and then just sort of clean that surface. Clean this surface right here, and next is to get some glue. This dries clear. I'm not going to put any glue on this edge of the plywood because this plywood really should be floating to allow for expansion. I will be putting nails in it, but not glue. So where I am going to be putting the glue is back on this joint here. I'm going to fill it up. This side. And then put this inside, upside down. Here we go. Let's see here. Okay. Now we're going to get a clamp. We're going to rotate this around. Get another clamp. Here we go. Nice even pressure. So now what we're going to do is we'll get the accessories off for now, and then I'm going to make sure I squeeze the bottom side in. All right. So now that I have everything glued, I'm going to get my cordless stapler and I'm going to put nails to the side, and that's going to help hold it in place. Yeah, that's nutmeg. Now that it's nailed, I'm going to keep this clamped until the glue dries. I'm going to get a wet paper towel and just wipe off this glue. And then I'm going to also place some nails along these edges too. One thing that I wanted to amend my video with is sometimes these little finish nails, they don't go in deep enough. So you'll need to get a nail set and set the nails in just beneath the surface. And let's get this video camera set up. And then when there's a hole, you can see a little hole, right? It's dark. This is sort of clear maple. Then you just get a little bit of wood patch and squeeze some out. And I just use my finger to patch the wood up. And if you can see a little black spot, that means I didn't set it in deep enough. So I went back, did it again. And there we go. And that's that. Alrighty, all set. Now I'll continue this process on the other ones. So that's it. That's a wrap. Thank you so much.